Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video tutorial today, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 passive income sources that you can utilize in 2022 to make money for yourself. So let's jump in right into our slide to see what I have for you today. But before then, if you are new to my channel, you are very much welcomed. And also, if you have not yet subscribed, do well to subscribe to my channel. I teach everything you need to know about cryptocurrency, business, the stock market, and also the real estate market. So if you are yet to subscribe, do well to subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up so that more people will get to see it. Now, why do you consider passive income sources as a part of your income goals for 2022? Now, if you have been into any business at all for the past 2 years now, and that business requires your 100% attention for you to actually make money from that business, you will agree with me that there are times when you get so tired about running your business, you just want to take some time off the business and take care of yourself, relax, go for holidays. And within that period, you find out that you are spending the money that you have already made over the time from your business. And because you're on holiday, if you don't have the right systems in place, you don't make more money. You are just living on the money you have made before now. But then with passive income, even when you're on holiday for 1 month, 2 months, as long as you've already put in the work for 6 months, 1 year before time, you get to still aim from the work you've already done. So let's jump into my slide to see the 4 passive income sources that I have for you today. Now, the first passive income source here is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a sales system whereby you refer other people's products and services and get paid for referring or marketing the product and service as long as the person made the purchase with your unique affiliate link. Now, we have a whole lot of affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Expertnet for those in my country, and other affiliate marketing sites across the whole world. So all you need to do is research for a good affiliate marketing site that have the kind of products that people you have in your network on social media or on any platform where you belong can be interested in, and create the accounts with them, recommend the products they have on their site to your friends that are capable of buying that particular product, and you earn money for doing that. So that is all about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a multi-million-dollar industry where people earn a lot of money, especially these guys on ClickBank, JVZoo, and all of that top affiliate platforms. So don't overlook this particular passive income source if you are looking to start earning passively and you don't have much capital to get started. So the next passive income source we have on our list today is blogging. Yes, I believe you already know what blogging is all about, but probably you are paying less attention to it. Blogging also is a multi-million-dollar industry, and you can see here by the left hand side of my screen, I have a list of highest paid bloggers in 2021, and the first person on the list has 250 million million dollar per year, and the second person has 120 million dollar per year, and the third person on the list has 50 million dollar per year, and the last person on the list has 40 million dollar per year. So tell me, what can 50 million dollar per year do for you at your stage right now? But then all these guys did not achieve these things in one day. It was a continuous process. So you can also be like them. Just choose a niche you are interested in blogging or writing. That is, if you have interest in writing, get someone who can teach you this particular skill and jump in right into action, and within the next 1 to 2 years to come, you see yourself making a whole lot of money from this one skill that you started like a play, right? So that is that about blogging. And also we have Amazon publishing. Amazon publishing, by now I believe you already know what Amazon is all about. Amazon is a marketplace, an international marketplace. They have both physical products, they have also digital products, right? Yeah, so you can become an Amazon publisher, publishing books, both written books, low content books, zero content books, journals, coloring books, and all of that. Probably I'm going to insert a link to an Amazon publishing course that you can get and start publishing books on Amazon at the description of this video. I have a friend from Nigeria who earns over $3,000 doing Amazon publishing, and he published just zero content books, journals, and coloring books. So you can see you too can achieve the same result. I have also people who make over $10,000 monthly from Amazon publishing. So you can see that this business is not a joke. A lot of people are into it and they are making thousands of dollars on monthly and daily basis. And the next passive income source we have on our list here is Vlog. Now, this is what I am doing, right? I am vlogging. I create videos on my YouTube channel. I teach you something, you learn from my channel. And before I get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I start earning from YouTube. But even before I get to that required number, I can still be earning from my affiliate marketing or from my own courses that I create, right? Yeah, so you can see we have a lot of ways to monetize your vlog aside from your AdSense monetization, right? You can make money referring other people's products, which is affiliate marketing. You can make money selling your own products or information courses, right? So you can see that this vlog is something that you should consider also. And also, if you don't, probably you're a kind of person that is shy, you don't want to show your face on camera recording yourself like I'm doing right now, you can do what they call the cash cow channel, right? You don't show your face, you just edit your videos and you are good to go. You just have to know the right places to get materials for your videos like Pixabay and the rest of them, right? So that is that about the 4 passive income sources you can utilize to make money for yourself in 2022. If you have any question regarding any of these 4 skills that I have mentioned here, you can do well to ask me a question in the comment section and I will respond to you. So I hope you learned something from this video. You can as well go ahead to share this video to your friends on WhatsApp, on Facebook, and so I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.